to the CPMAI exam test. We're doing a mock. Now we're going for the next batch, Exam 3 batch 651 to 60. Let's go. Model is overfitting. Kind of straightforward. I mean, for me, based on what I've learned so far. Let's go for the next one. Please pause and go through the explanation if required. Which phase of CPMAI typically involves building an initial baseline model for evaluation? Okay, I got a message that my computer is going to automatically start and I can't do much. So I think we'll have to see how to go about it. I don't see a place where I can stop this. I think in 59 seconds it's going to stop. I think we're done with 59 seconds, aren't we? If it's not restarting, okay, I'll move forward assuming that nothing goes off and the recording continues. Model development. Right, so initial baseline model for evaluation. Which phase of CPMAI involves building? Building will be done in development, right? Otherwise, what's the point? Okay, so far so good. I'm going to go over the next one and hope the recording doesn't stop. Let's go ahead. Which machine learning algorithm is often used for image recognition tasks? CNN live. Just want to know what are SVMs for future. I use for image in simple cases they do not scale well for larger data set or high dimensional pixel inputs. CNN are more effective. Okay. Naive is based on feature independence assumption which are not approved pixel data where features are highly correlated. It rarely used for image recognition, right? Okay. I have no clue about the answers here. Let's think. Generative. Okay. Generate synthetic variation of which can be used to improve the robustness. This is inconvenience are not well suited for tasks involving natural language. The experimentation is typically handled by transformer based model and connect, but characters are capable of by generating high resolution. Okay. Are used for visual generation, upscaling, and augmenting realistic data sets. Augmenting. Okay, I'll try and remember. See, near its source is on-premise deployment. This is used while on-premise keeps model within a local. It typically applies to enterprise data center close to the data source like sensor or IoT device. Okay, then edge development, edge deployment. Okay, I think I need to take some break. I'm getting into brain freeze moment. I'm mixing things up. If you consider me right now, I could say I'm hallucinating. I hope that I get the next four easy ones, at least straightforward ones. If it's difficult, it's okay, but not like complex where I have to. And now I have multi selection, I think so. Yeah, wow. I asked for easy ones and they give us multi. Let's see. What is this? Okay. I have to define what is obscuring. I have no idea what is obscuring. Anyone has any idea what is obscuring? Uh, but I don't know about learning. This is not part of my dictionary, and I'm going to write it somewhere so that I don't forget. Okay, keep from being seen or conceal. Obscure. Oh, okay. I learned something new. Don't judge me, folks. Let's move forward. Which of the following would be the best KPI to measure AI's impact on customer service? CSAT score. I hope I'm not giving an answer too fast and then regretting. Okay, what's happened here? It's a correct answer. Okay. Yeah, I think the system froze. Now it's giving me next question. What is the key benefit of deploying AI models via microservices? Select all that. Scalability, yes. Easier integration, yes. Loose coupling with applications. Now this is critical. What it means? This is correct because Microsoft actually allows AI model to operate independently. This separation of concerns simplifies maintenance and enables modular development. Okay. Two more to go in this batch before I take a break. Much needed break, rather. This was straightforward. It's like definition of deep duplication. Okay, last one for this batch and maybe for today. Let's see. Which of the following, so at least it's okay, not multi, single. So that's good. Let's see which one. Which of the following is a use case for using cloud-based auto ML platforms? Cloud-based, okay. Encrypting network traffic, creating 3D. So hand coding is gone. Automatically selecting models and hyperparameters. Two. keen on this use case. Why not? Wow. See, this is what I was going with, and I went to be too smart about it. And let's see. This curve gives AutoML performs specialized in automating tasks like model selection, hyperparameter, and sometimes even data processing, making it easier for users to deploy effective models without deep ML expertise. Okay, I'll remember. This is in a 3D gaming environment is unrelated to machine learning automation. It falls under graphics and game development, which AutoML platforms are not built to support. Got confused. Huh? It means part of model selection and optimization, reducing manual effort. Alright then, thanks everyone. Take care. See you in the next batch. Bye bye. I think I got 3 wrong in this 51 to 60, which means I did 70%, and you know that I did well in the 50, I think 41 to 50. So I'm fingers crossed, looks good so far. Let's see how it goes the next 4 batches. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.